Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Affirm merchant settlement detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Affirm merchant settlement, begin by logging into your Affirm merchant account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Payouts section in the menu. Click on Payouts to view your available settlements. Identify the payment you wish to withdraw. Click on the specific payment to access its details. Review the transaction information to ensure accuracy. Select the withdraw option associated with that payment. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, if asked. Choose your preferred payout method, such as bank transfer. If required, input your banking details to facilitate the transfer. Confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the Confirm button. Review any final prompts or confirmations on the screen. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Check your email for a summary of the transaction. Monitor your bank account to see when the funds are deposited. If you experience any issues, check the help section or contact Affirm support for assistance. Keep a record of your transactions for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.